Well, a mandatory face mask rule goes into effect in Oregon tomorrow to protect against COVID-19. The Blaine County commissioners didn't go quite that far, but it did pass a resolution this morning asking people to wear face coverings to protect fellow Americans and to keep our economies open. Idaho News 6 reporter Alex Grant has the details on how the resolution will work.
Local businesses, grocery stores, and even restaurants where social distancing cannot be followed is when it will be expected for those in attendance to put on a face mask.
Face masks are a good idea. The CDC still thinks so. The NIH still thinks so. The state still thinks so. And that's kind of where we're going to try to lead by example.
Blaine County has been discussing safety measures for quite some time. Yet recent events throughout the state and local area sped up conversations.
As we see more cases pop up around Idaho and around the country, there is great concern from all our residents, particularly as they see the tourists come into town and potentially bringing another wave.
Although the county commissioner's office has passed this resolution, they do not have jurisdiction in other towns or cities. So they have been in constant contact with other municipalities to try and reach a plan that works for all.
I think it would be confusing for people if we all have different resolutions. So we've been working together, collaborating together to come up with a resolution that we can put in front of the different elected officials and hopefully all adopt.
Now, while this is some form of policy, it is not a law and people will not be forced to abide by it. It is an effort to try and encourage the usage of masks, increase people's knowledge of COVID, and be conscientious of others.
A lot of this has to do with supporting our local businesses, and they are at risk. They are in jeopardy. The patrons are in jeopardy if they're not following social distancing guidelines, hygiene guidelines, and wearing masks.
The voting of the resolution for other towns and cities will happen at their next assigned city council meetings. In Blaine County, I'm Alex Grant, Idaho News 6.